I have called you by name. I know every detail about you, your hopes, your fears, your dreams, and your struggles. Before you took your first breath, I cherished you and loved you with an everlasting love. You are not forgotten and you are never alone, for I am always with you. When you face trials, remember that I walk beside you, guiding your steps. Trust in me, for my plans for you are filled with purpose and promise. Even in your darkest moments, I see you, I hear you, and I am holding you close. You are precious in my sight, a masterpiece of my creation. You are fearfully and wonderfully made, and there is no one else like you. Do not doubt your worth, for you are chosen, you are loved, and you are mine. So lift your head, my child, and walk boldly in the knowledge that I know you completely and love you unconditionally. Call on me, and I will answer you. I am your refuge, your strength, and your greatest source of joy,